Chris Udick, Technical Director for Karnak. I'm here today to introduce our latest product, 671 Karna-Seal Silicone Roof Sealant. This product is perfect for making repairs to existing silicone-coated roofs like the one we're on today. You can also use it as a repair product on other roofs such as BUR, smooth and granular modified bitumen, metal, single-ply membrane, including TPO, PVC, and EPDM, as well as it adheres well to other backup materials commonly found on a roof, such as concrete and wood. The materials needed to use Karna-Seal include some cleaning solution and rags to clean the surface to make the repair, a 4-inch chip brush or margin trowel, and 4-inch or 6-inch width reset mat polyester fabric reinforcement. I'm here today to use 671 Karna-Seal to fix this crack on a previously coated silicone roof. To use the bucket, first you want to pull the plastic ring, discard that off to the side. Now open the pail for use. Inside the bucket is going to be a plastic liner. You'll want to pull this off and set this to the side and discard. Once the lid and plastic have been removed, 671 Karna-Seal is ready to go to seal your roof leak. Before I make the repair, I'm going to make sure I clean the area I'm going to apply this Karna-Seal to with our $7.99 Wash and Prep Roof Cleaner. Here I have some Wash and Prep already on a rag, ready to use to wipe the area clean. To fix my leak, I'm going to take the 671 Karna-Seal and spread about a 1/16 of an inch thick layer over top of the repair and extending out at least 2 to 3 inches. Today I'm going to embed a 6-inch polyester fabric called 5540 reset mat. Now that I got my area with the first sealant applied of Karna-Seal, I'm going to take my 6-inch reset mat and embed it into the wet sealant. When you're doing this, you want to center the fabric over top of where the damaged area is and smooth out the fabric so that it's flat without any fish mouths or wrinkles. Once the fabric is flat, you want to take another application of Karna-Seal and apply it over top of the fabric. As I apply the Karna-Seal over top, I'm going to feather it out. I want to make sure my fabric is completely covered and no edges are showing on the fabric. Once that is done, I will feather out the sides, tapering it to the roof to make a nice smooth transition. The defect has now been repaired with 671 Karna-Seal. It's sealed and watertight. If you'd like to know more information about Karna-Seal or other Karnak products, visit us at karnakcorp.com.